This is a beautiful, this is a great way of doing stuff, because like it's safe, you're not going to fall through it or anything like that, and it's lovely and flat, so you build your wall directly on this and then raise the wall, flip them up into position, so it's a nice safe place to do it, anything. So you put like 2 planks down or 3 planks down or something, and what, like I did over there, chances are you're going to, while you're trying to raise the wall, slip to one side and go through it. I know it's only like, it's actually, there's piles of 60, and then you got 20 for the Biasca, which makes it 80, and then 15, so almost a metre. And if you fall a metre, it doesn't sound a lot, but blooming heck, it hurts if you fall through it. So not a wise move. Then apart from that, this is now ready for the studs on the next rain-free day. It should be day after. Actually, tomorrow is the last day of rain. It's forecasting for like 2 weeks of pure sunshine. So in that 2 weeks, I'm expecting to get all of these studs in, and well, if not all the walls up, a good bit of the walls up. So yeah, that's how it looks so far. It's all looking good, and there we go. Look at, give you an idea of the size of the place from above. That's the kind of size of the property. So we've got 14 metres that way, 9 up there, then you lose a bit, and then you gain a bit up here. In fact, I think that's 8 actually. Then this is 9, and then down this bit here is 9 as well. So that's the kind of size, 14 by 9 roughly. So yeah, it's starting to take shape very well. I am very happy with progress, slow though it may be, but I know there's people out there who say that, you know, you can do it a lot faster. You're absolutely right, but I'm on my own, and when you're on your own, it takes time, it takes effort. You're measuring all the time, you've got to measure, come back and fetch stuff. You know, it's okay saying YouTube videos where they're putting it up in, built a house in 3 days, and they're only showing you the nice bits, aren't they? You know, they're not showing you the whole thing. I'm showing the whole thing here without any lies, without any waffle about how quick you can do it. It takes time, there is no doubt about it. If this was a brigade of 3, a group of 3 builders, this I would expect to put up in about 6 weeks with the roof as well. On my own, I'm expecting, I mean, I don't know how long it's going to take, but I was sort of planning 3 months of work on this on my own. That's the frame and the roof, and then everything else comes on after. The actual wall finish, the siding is very, very fast. That's really easy, that stuff. This is the kind of complex bit. You've got to get the studs in the right places for the walls to go into the right places and all that. So this is slow work. Anyway, that's the end of day 8, and I will see you on, well, it's not tomorrow because it's raining tomorrow, so tomorrow is a day of go to town and do a bit of admin, get some bits and pieces. But I'll see you on what, day 9, or working day 9, building day 9, the day after tomorrow. Okay, see you then.